She's the woman that keeps sending him messages night, day, nighttime, all day.
You have papers. Go home and look at them.
You sure you put my name?
Go home and look.
This is because of the adobo.
So why'd you have that stuff?
I have like a freaking...
Why'd you give it to me? Good morning, Philippines!
Maria Mercedes ang pangalan ko. Isang tuwa ng magulang mo. Tami mo. If you know, my husband don't leave me any sharp knife here. So now, I'm gonna be struggling.
Right in that drawer.
Maria Mercedes ang pangalan ko. Oh! Idang tuwa ng... It's like Itbulaga. Naging Itbulaga yung kanta. So ngayon guys, I'm going to cook pork. I'm not gonna tell you because you're going to yell at me guys of cooking this. And of course, my husband won't eat it all the time. So now this is the time that he can numb this. Right, Han?
Yeah.
Oh, my baby. I love that so much, you know? I love that baby I have there. He will num, but he never num me. Han, you love my one, Han? You love my personality? And do you?
Yeah.
You do really? Guys, he's talking to me, but his mind is from Stella, the woman that he keep talking to. No, I'm telling you, she's the woman that keeps sending him messages night, day, nighttime, all day. And that woman is, you know, I'm telling you, they have secrets.
She got back to me.
Whatever. I know you guys are loving each other.
She got in touch with the film company in Greece earlier, and they said, "Oh, you know, check. You know, we think it's probably."
Don't touch my camera.
So we think it's probably from downloading. So, okay, it's possible. I don't know.
Downloading what?
It probably got.
You have too much time with this Stella than me.
There's nothing to do with her. This is Jimmy. She's just a person, the contact person for this particular movie.
You think guys, you're telling me, you keep saying guys, you keep commenting that Tommy will leave you sooner or later because you are like that. Maybe you guys are right.
Open that.
Huh?
Open the garbage, please.
Maybe you guys are right. It's okay. He can be happy everywhere he want, whoever he want. All I'm gonna do is gonna cry and witchcraft both of them.
Witchcraft is right.
Yeah, and this one is what I want. Oh, this is so nice. Hello, honey. Han, this is so nice, Han.
Yes, son.
Han, I don't have
You know how many years I had that for?
Look, I just do it like that.
That's from before they closed all Shop Rich stores.
Look, guys, I just pew pew pew.
Those stores aren't even open anymore. You can still get Shop Rich stuff online, but you can still get their stuff online.
This is pork belly, guys. Poor Olohan. Han, I really need to bring this home.
No, you don't.
Yes, it is. Yes, your wife will. Because look.
If I let them out again, will you weed them out?
No. Just let them stay here, Han. I just let them in.
You let them in, but you only let them be out there for about.
No. They did already. They pay. They pay.
I know, but that's not all they want to do.
Look, honey, your dog. So, guys, ito yung ano natin. Panglagay natin sa pork. Yung pork is, ano ko siya, guys. Binoil ko siya muna. And then, yun, hinugasan, binoil. Pabayaan lang natin siya dyan mag-boil. Magbukal-bukal siya. And, yun, and then, i-transfer natin siya. Kunin yung tubig, i-drain. And then, yun, start tayo lutuin yung onion at garlic, yung ground onion at yan. And then, ilagay natin ito. And then, yun. Okay, guys. Hopefully, guys, hindi kayo mahulog dyan. Kasi, nilagay ko kayo sa mga file-file na ano. Pakita ko nga dito. Let me show you what is the camera position right now. Guys, dito guys. 1, 2, chingong! Chingong! You don't have an oil anymore. Maganda talaga guys magluto. And then yung totoong fire. In our house, we don't have a choice. Tapos na yung nabukal yung ano. Smells so good, guys. Tapos na yung nagboil yung ano, pork. Pinaboil ko siya, dinidrain, at saka hinugasan ulit kasi para makuha yung mga, yung parang bubble-bubble na nag-stuck sa meat. And then, it's time for me to this is very small pot. We have to add pepper. Tami, wala si taming paminta na malaki. You know, everything that we have here is grind, like powdery. So, I have to put a lot of this. Because I like a lot of pepper. Yan. Dami, di ba? And, ilagay natin si green onion. Hindi lahat. Yun yung ano yung white part. Ito guys. Soy guys. Not a lot of soy because we are reducing our soy intake. Usually I put a lot like crazy. Like a lot. So ngayon, pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. Lagyan ko siya ng tubig. Okay guys. I'm going to put water para maging tender siya. As in, yung tenderizery. So, yung soy will be dissolved. Ayan. Water. And that's it. You can also add sugar later. Brown sugar. Mamaya na yun. And we have to let this boil. Ito na siya, guys. So, yung, lakasan lang natin yung apoy. And yun, mamaya na natin yan ilagay.
What's wrong with you?
Did you promise?
Go home and look at the papers. You have papers. Go home and look at them.
You sure you put my name?
Go home and look. You don't have to ask me. Don't take my word for it because you don't believe me anyway. Go home and look for yourself. You were there. Obviously, you can't remember. So go home and look for yourself. You have the papers.
So the house is both of us? It's
Yes.
not just yours?
No, just the bill is in my name. The house is in both our names.
So you're not planning to run away from me?
If I am, I'd be an idiot. But I get stuck with the bill. Although if I don't pay it, the house just disappears anyway. But then neither one of us get it. So that's how that works.
Why you leave the
So
dog
they
out?
took it. Because they want to go out. What am I going to do? They're annoying? I let them out. It makes them happy. I love you too, but they would chase the squirrel, so I gotta make sure they didn't try
Okay,
and jump
go,
over
go, go,
the
please. You know, no. It's a big fight if you lose that dog.
Poor little Rocky. She just want to play with everything. Everything.
I'm kind of disappointed here.
Just what you like.
There's got a lot of water. I want the water to be...
Put too much water.
Roxy!
Alright, look up.
You really scares me. You really... Luckily, I saw Misty first. Lucky, come in here, baby.
You don't have to come in.
Come in, Rox.
Yeah, screw that.
Han, can you explain this to me? What is this?
Thermometer and a humidity meter. Yeah, this tells you the temperature. This is the humidity. How much humidity is in the air?
Okay. Ito na siya, guys. Pero, kailangan ko pa siyang i-ano. Yun siya. Kailangan ko pa siyang i-mix-mix. And, talagang yung fats, lumalabas siya. Yun yung gusto ko. So, hintayin natin. Where you been, Rox? Quiet, ha? Quiet! Aeroplano, pati patongong LaGuardia. Umuulan na siya, guys. Grabe. So, mamaya alis tayo. Mamaya paggabi before si Tammy matulog. Hey! Stop it! Okay, let's go, guys. Come in here. Come in here. I don't... Roxy, Misty, get in here. Get in. Get in here. In. Na siya, hintayin lang natin siyang maano, talaga yung parang luto na siya. Yung oil is wala na. I mean, meron pa siyang oil, pero yung alam nyo na, yung fats niya. nag-oil na siya. So, yung lahat ng oil na tatagak or nahuhulog or nakukuha doon, nilagay ko dito. The vegetables for dinner and the perk. Yep, and I have rice. He's washing what I used. Such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Dishwasher. Kain lang kami, guys. And on.
Well, actually, ate the chicken and that was it.
Yeah. Kain tayo, guys.
I consider you my ex-husband.
I don't know what the videos taste like, but
Our loveless marriage and messy divorce. We always had a certain camaraderie.
not bad.
Can we talk about
It's edible. Let's try the pork.
Friends too.
The adobo, yeah.
You gotta stay in this room. Everything stays in the room. Yeah, sure, Judas.
It's really nice on it.
Your wife.
Binigyan ako ng manok niya.
Every time we get together, it's water under the bridge.
Inano talaga niya nga papakainin ako yung niluto niya.
Grammy speech.
So, kainin natin para hindi masaktan yung puso. Right, baby?
You say that.
Chicken is juicy still. I'm still here. I'm just making a thumbnail sa video bukas.
I'm still here too. I did not.
Yeah, and time check, it is 6:10. 6 o'clock na ng gabi. And I'm still going to drive papuntang isang bahay, guys. So, yun. And yun! So, iwan ko si Tommy for today. For tomorrow, iwan hiwalay. We're leaving each other, guys. Like, we're living, like, separate. Like, right?
Yeah.
Hello, guys. We really are separating.
Total cats.
Yeah. Di no. Cats, the kids. So, kailangan akong umuwi. And, halahan.
Really funny kids.
Halahan, my neck, it hurts. Halahan, it hurts. Oh my God, it hurts. No, I'm not joking, honey. Don't even. Oh my God. Halahan, this is because of the adobo.
So why'd you have that stuff?
I have like a freaking...
Why'd you give it to me?
Halahan, I'm not gonna let you eat that. Sorry. Tommy loved the adobo, pero... Alam nyo na. It's in the left side, honey. This one right here, oh. It's like an artery.
Way up here?
Yeah,
Oh,
oh.
I know that feeling.
Huh?
I know that feeling.
What is it?
So I don't know, but I know it well. We'll get it open.
I think it's too much fat we eat. Guys, we are trying to kill ourselves here. I don't eat much. Tommy doesn't eat much. You don't eat the skin, no?
I did.
You did. I told you not. Okay, that's it. No, that's it.
Hey, hi Judith. Here he is, safe and sound.
Oh, hey, honey.
It hurts, honey.
We just did. What? Nothing in particular.
Thanks, hon. I love you. Can you help me?
He do on.
Kid's joke. He's been doing it to us all week.
They're not here.
Ask about the boat.
They're here, hon. Oh my God, you scare me, hon. No, honey.
Oh, now they're going out.
No, my God, you scare me. I thought the dog was outside the whole time. Oh my God, that was so scary. Oh my God, you scare me, honey.
I see them in the dorms open.
I will see you sa isang bahay, guys. I will see you when we get home. And yeah, I'm done with my video, so I'm good. And I'm going home. So I'm going home, honey. Are you finished what you're doing?
Yeah, it's just doing it on its own. It's not like I do it now. Hi guys.
Okay, see you sa isang bahay. Ulan, guys. Drive tayo, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know kung nakita niyo sila. Tayo si Tommy. Are you home? Where is Misty? Oh, we survived. We survived from the rain. My God, guys. It was a scary drive. The rain and the fog together. It was, I don't know. It was scary. And I do my flasher. Yung blink-blink yung car. Pinag-blink-blink ko para ano. Come here. Come here, baby. Tush. Oh, luloy. Ito yan. Go say hi to your brother and sister. Go say hi to them. Guys, na ano ako guys sa biyahe na headache. Sumakit ulo ko. Ginoo ko. Tingnan natin kung asan yan. Si Habs. Where is Habsy bag? Where is the little boy? Habs? Hala ka. Where is your Dems? Habs! Oh my god. Where is Habs? Habsy boy! Lil bag! What the heck? Where is he? What the heck? Why you make mama nervous, little bug? Babag! Hi, little babag! Hi, babag! Hello, babag! Oh my god. That makes me nervous, guys. Alam nyo naman yun, kapag lalakyan, gutom, walang tubig, yun yung pinakaano sa pusa kapag iwan mo sila and dinalak sila somewhere. Yun yung problema. Go pee-pee quick, okay? Pee-pee quick. Quick. Pee-pee quick. Pee-pee serious. Gustong naihi na talaga deh. 41, hindi maginaw siya pero dahil sa hangin maginaw pero pag walang hangin okay yung temperature. 41 degree. Bihis lang ako guys and ibalik ko lang yung sinuot ko doon sa isang bahay. Alam niyo yung na-obserbahan ko nitong dalawa. Si Habs lang. Na-obserbahan ko ni Habs. Gusto niya na siya yung unahing nabigyan ko kaysa sa kapatid niya. And then kasi inuna ko yung kapatid niya, kinain niya yung kung ano yung ibigay ko sa kay Dimples. Ganyan yan si Habs guys. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe into this channel. Anyway, good night guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.